Hello, my name is Azim Asmi bin Abdul Malik from class DM4A, and my matrix number is 23DM21F1007. And I'm gonna give a presentation about single phase to single phase cycloconverter. Okay, we start with working principle of single phase to single phase cycloconverter. As we know, single phase to single phase cycloconverter is an electronic device that convert AC power at one frequency to AC power at another frequency using a band of thyristor. The thyristor are fired at specific angle to create the desired output waveform by adjusting firing angle, of thyristor, the output frequency, amplitude, and phase angle also can be controlled. Next, the function of single phase to single phase cycloconverter. The function is to control speed of AC motor that operate at a fixed frequency by changing the frequency of the AC voltage to convert the frequency of an AC voltage to a different frequency to meet the need of various electrical system device. Okay, next, as you can see here is a circuit diagram of single phase to single phase cycloconverter. And the thyristor is like a diode. And the first two of circle, the positive converter operate by supplying current to the load. And another two circle, negative, operate by supplying current to the load, but in reverse direction. Okay. Okay, here we can see the current flow through the circuit. Okay, if from supply go to P1 and flow to the load, and it go to P2, and after P2 it go back to the supply. Okay. And the second circle of positive converter, if the negative pole of supply go to P3 and it flow through the load and it go back and it go to the P4, and after that it go to the positive pole of supply. Okay. After that, the negative converter, the flow of negative converter. The first flow is from supply, and it go to N1, and it flow to the load, then it go to the N2. After that, it go back to the negative to the supply. Okay, next, from negative pole of supply, it go to the N3 and go to the load, and it go through the load and it flow to the N4, then it go back to the positive pole of supply. Next, the waveform of the single phase to single phase cycloconverter. The output voltage of the cycloconverter is delivered as the smoothly varying sine wave, where the amplitude and frequency of the sine wave can be controlled by the triggering circuit. The thyristor in the cycloconverter circuit are fired in a specific sequence to create a series of overlapping voltage pulses that add up to produce a continuous waveform. Lastly, the application of single phase to single phase cycloconverter. The application is fan, pump, and industrial machinery. That's all for me. Thank you.